Hey guys, so this is the PDF annotation tool that I've been using uh, probably for a week now, Cami. It does cost something after the 30-day free trial, but I just added it. I'm not going to remove it right now, but it ends up putting a blue circle with a white K in it on your Chrome toolbar. But the way I've been using it is when I get a file in my Google Classroom, I'll pull this out. Oops, looks like I got Nellie's Algebra 2 homework in this one. That's awesome. But I can mark this up and say, I think Miss Dawson might like this. And then I'm done. I can just return it or go on to the next one and start looking at that assignment. Just wondering what other people are doing out there.